Today we're going to be reviewing the £1 Saffron nail polish. I have bought this nail polish before in black and white. Very impressed with the black, the white was okay, so I decided to buy some more, and here we are to test it. First I'm going to show you how the black performs. It is a bit old now, so it is quite thick, but it has always applied in one coat really nicely. It is one of my favourite budget black polishes. The white in general needs 2 coats, but it is still quite impressive. Both with a bit of top coat on look lovely. First one I tried was number 83 Pearly Iris. I had really high hopes for this one, so I did enjoy the 2 other Saffron polishes I've got, but on first initial thoughts it is a bit thin. I went in for a second coat. It was a really beautiful colour, but it was still a bit thin, not really the coverage I was looking for. The second new colour I tried was number 5 Orange Creams. This one was a bit more like how I know Saffron polishes. First coat applied quite nicely, second coat it looked gorgeous. So the next one I tried was number 84 in Pearly Blues. Some of the tops of the bottles really don't look like the colour they are in the bottle. I do really enjoy how these polishes apply. They definitely all have quite a smooth application. Again with this one it applied really thin, but after 2 coats it did look pretty good. The next one I gave a go was the number 30 Emerald Green. It's a really beautiful colour, this one. Again it applied really nicely, but it was really thin. It did take quite a few coats to get it to a sort of opacity that I wanted it to. So in the end I did end up giving all of these 3 coats. I generally feel that they all came out really nicely. So I then decided to try out the Saffron base coat, top coat and hardener 3-in-1 polish. This one cost £1.50. I'm normally quite sceptical about self-drying top coats. Since discovering gel top coats I've not really used them. I only use this one as a top coat in this video. I will do a video in the future on nail hardeners and how they are. This top coat did dry down really nicely. I can't really complain. It was a nice smooth application. It did dry pretty quick, so all round fairly happy with this one for the price. So in general I am quite happy with these polishes. They're in 13ml bottles, the coloured ones, so for the price you pay they're only £1 each. I think they're well worth it. You do need to put a couple of coats on with them, but that's okay. I will definitely be going back and buying the black one at least in the future. I do really enjoy that one. It is 2 years old now, so it's a bit thick and lumpy, but I will be buying more when some more pops up. So I did find that it was a really smooth application and I only needed 1 coat of the black, so it's really good. The others aren't so bad. I will use them quite a bit. Like I said, I will do a hardener video in the future because I've got a couple of hardeners here that I'm curious about, and my nails are quite thin at the moment, so I look forward to trying them out. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.